biggest challenge is to ensure trustworthy AI. In order to make the system safe, because what we want to do is to allow disabled people to navigate from point A to point B in urban environments, so complex environments with a lot of possible dangers, safely. In order to do that, you need to develop trustworthy AI techniques. This is an extension of the wheelchair. The drone will basically be part of the system and extend the viewpoint and perspective of the wheelchair. It will have additional sensors, especially an additional camera that will allow the wheelchair to see the environment from different perspectives and behind the obstacles. So this is very important, I would say essential, because it will increase the safety of the system. If you have occlusions that will make the wheelchair unable to see dangers, then the drone can be used to complement the vision of the wheelchair.